All right, the first one we're going to go over is a market order. So a market order is pretty self-explanatory here. We see the stock going up and down. You want to place an order at its current market price. It is just going to fill for whatever the current asking price is. So you can see we just got filled in this example right here. You see this green target represents where we got filled for. So whatever that asking price is, regardless of slippage, you're just putting it in and it is buying it right then and there. You may not get the best price that you're looking for, but that's the downfall of a market order and why I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. Now as the stock goes up and down and you want to finally cash out, you're going to cash out with a market order as well. So same thing, it is going to get filled for whatever the current asking price is. And you can see in this example, it got filled right here about $235.97. Little bit of a loss. That's market order. So now we're going to show you on TD Ameritrade how to set up a market order. All right, so here's one of my TD Ameritrade accounts. Doesn't matter if it's a 401k, an IRA, or a regular brokerage account. They're all pretty much laid out the same, and buying and selling equities are going to be virtually the same. So we're going to hit up at the top, trade, and we'll go to Verizon. So Verizon is right now $52.40. We want to put in a market order. So our action over here is set at a buy. And then if we jump over to type, we're going to set it at market. Now there's really not much more to put in except for the amount of shares. So let's say 1 share. Our expiration, so we could do day or MOC. For this, we're just going to hit day, which is pretty simple. As soon as the day closes, if you don't get filled for your order, which is very unlikely to happen if it's a market order, then it will close out. The only way that it wouldn't actually fill is if there's any kind of liquidity problems with that stock. And then special instructions, there's really not much we can do here because it is a market order, so there's none. So we're gonna hit review, and then before we hit place order, you can double check your work, make sure everything's set. So we wanna buy VZ, which is Verizon. We're buying 1 stock at the market price. Our expiration is day, routing and exchange, you don't have to worry too much about that. Position quantities, make sure you put in the right amount. So for this, we have 1. And then here is an important little risk note, how a stock could change price very quickly and you may get filled for an undesirable price. That's why market orders aren't typically recommended. I've heard horror stories of people trying to be filled for one price, but then it jumps up in the complete wrong direction and they get filled for a much worse price, and then they have to live with that. But other than that, just make sure you have enough buying power, and then you would hit place order, and then your market order, as long as the stock market is open, should fill instantly. It's gonna fill for whatever the current asking price is. And then simple enough, if we wanted to do a market sell, we would just flip it on sell. So let's pretend we already had 1 share of Verizon and we want to sell it. We have our order type at market, 1 share, day expiration, we hit review order, double check your work again to make sure everything's right. Then we hit place order and that will automatically sell your shares at the current asking price.